Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Brandon Chambliss, founder of MyRealEstateTrainingPro.com. And this particular video, guys, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the initial loan documents that you're going to need to buy your home to be able to occupy, to live in, right? And also I'm going to share with you some information that you want to talk to your loan officer, whoever that person may be, okay? So a quick background on myself, guys. I'm an active real estate investor and developer. I'm also a mentor and coach to new students who want to learn how to invest in real estate. And I'm also a licensed mortgage consultant. My NMLS number is 145175. My wife is also a mortgage loan lender. And so what that basically means, guys, that when you're looking to buy your home, right, you come to a mortgage lender so we can look at your credit scores, teach you how to raise up those scores and sustain those high scores, and we're going to strategize and coach you and mentor you on purchasing your home, right? So we're going to tell you about your debt to income ratios you need, the credit scores you need, the down payment you need, everything you need to know, guys, about purchasing your home. We're here to help you with. So we actually get the capital for you so you can be able to buy the home and move in. Now, I say that not to impress you guys, but just to impress upon you that I'm qualified to better share this information to you, okay? Because I see this on a daily basis. My wife sees this on a daily basis, right? So having said that, let's just dive right into the content of the video. So here's a quick process, right? So the first thing that you want to do, guys, if you're considering buying your first home or buying a home, period, guys, you have to talk to a lender, right? You want to talk to the lender because you want to know what's the guidelines, what's the criteria that you need to reach to be able to buy your home, right? For instance, credit scores, right? You know, ideally you want to be at about a 640 credit score. That's ideally, but we have loan products that can go all the way down to a 580 credit score, right? As long as you have some other variable things that we can bring to the underwriter that helps out. You may have a long employment history with the company you're living in. That your company you're working for, right? You may have good income coming in. Those are some compensating factors we can use to combat that low credit score, right? So having said that, I want to specifically target on the initial loan document because I see this all the time and a lot of people don't really follow through with it. So when you call your loan officer, hey, what's the criteria? I'm looking to buy a home. They're going to ask you a few questions. Some of the questions may be, hey, tell me, are you self-employed or are you employed by someone? Do you know your credit score? Have you pulled it recently? Okay. How much do you have saved up so far for your down payment? Okay. So all those questions is going to be asked because the loan officer or the consultant is trying to figure out, do you have enough money to close? Do you have the decent credit score? What is your debt to income ratio, right? With a FHA product, if you're buying a home for the first time, most lenders can go up to 50% debt to income ratio. Conventional, right around 45, 43%. Just kind of depends, right? So you're going to have these questions going to be asked, and I want you guys to be absolutely honest with the loan officer. Here's what I want you guys to understand. That mortgage consultant, guys, is there to help you, not to hurt you, right? Now, I understand some banks and mortgage companies, they're all different, right? But from my mindset, right, my wife and I and our whole lending team, guy, our mindset is this. If we don't close, we don't eat. We're not on those salaries, right? We have to close deals to make money. So we have invested interest in you to educate you, to coach you and mentor you to get to the closing, right? But the only way that we can help you, you have to be honest. You have to be open. Tell us your situation. Let us know exactly how much cash you have. Let us know what's going on with you financially. So that way, guys, we can determine what's the right strategy for you, right? Do you owe back taxes? Have you paid your taxes last couple of years? We need to know these things, guys, because remember, we're not here to hurt you. We're here to help you. But the only way that we can help you, we have to know the truth. We got to know. You lay it on the line, guys. Even if you're not ready right now, doesn't mean that you're never going to be ready. You may be ready in 3 months from now, 6 months. But the idea is to initially talk to the mortgage consultant so we can find out your story. And if you're ready to rock and roll, cool, we're going to rock and roll, guys. But if you're not quite ready yet, we're going to tell you exactly what to do to get ready. If your credit score is low, we're going to simply tell you exactly what to do to raise your credit score. You don't have to really go off to a credit repair company and get things deleted. No. talk to us first, talk to your market consultant before you start deleting items, because you may be spending money on things that you don't have to, because some underwriters don't even require things to be deleted, right? So my point is this, guys. Talk to that market consultant, right? Let them know your situation, and that way they can create a blueprint of success for you. Now, once they create the blueprint success, now it's up to you to follow through, guys. You got to keep the vision strong. You want to be a homeowner. You want to have an asset that you can pass on to your children's children, right? So go and implement that blueprint. Start working hard, whatever that is. Now, if you are ready to go, right, that loan consultant, that market consultant, going to give you a initial loan document checklist. And it's going to be very, very simple to follow. But a lot of people that I see don't follow it, right? So it may say, hey, 2 years of tax return, all pages, and make sure you sign page 2 of your tax return, right? That's the instruction on the line item. Don't come back missing 3 or 4 pages, right? If you have 10 pages on your tax return, make sure you give us all 10 pages, right? If you need to sign page 2, sign page 2, right? We may have another line item and say bank statement. We need the last 2 months of your bank statements, all pages. Even if the page is blank, we still need the page, because at the end of every page at the bottom it says, if it's 10 pages, it says 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, etc., right? So we need all pages. You cannot get around the documents that we're requesting. Remember, we're here to help you, right? So here's what happens. That market consultant consults with you, get you in a position of getting ready to purchase your home. They give you an initial loan document checklist. Once you have all the documents to that mortgage consultant, don't piece it to them. Don't send 20 emails or 5 emails with one PDF in this one. Send one email if you can with all the documents in it, because that mortgage consultant is busy. There's a lot of people, and so they don't want to drop the ball or slow you down. They want to be more efficient to help you close your home faster. So send one email if you can with all those documents in it as a PDF, right? No JPEG, no pictures, just PDF, right? If you have all those documents, what that market consultant is going to do is comb through that, making sure that they have everything in that file. So once that file is created, right, now that market consultant acts as a lawyer, right? And the underwriter acts as the judge. The underwriter is the person that says yes or no to that loan file, right? Now, once that underwriter take a look at it, they're going to determine whether they're going to move forward or not. But if you are missing one page, they don't have enough information to make a decision. If you didn't sign page 2 of your tax return, they don't have all the documents they need to make a decision. But when you have all your paperwork in order, and that mortgage consultant go to the underwriter and say, here's a file, here's a qualified buyer, they meet all the guidelines, here's all the documents. Now the underwriter is going to take a look, comb through it, and they're going to say yes or no. But if that mortgage consultant pretty much is a strong person, that person already know what the underwriter is looking for. They got the guidelines, right? So now we are going to the underwriter on your behalf saying, listen, this is a qualified buyer. Let's get it done. We the lawyer, the judge, the underwriter is the judge, right? So we say, listen, let's get this thing done. They qualify. Here's the proof, right? 1 Thessalonians 5:21 says, prove all things. So here's the proof that this person is qualified. Here go their tax returns for 2 years. Here go their bank statement. We're proving that you can close this loan. Here go their credit report. We're proving they got a strong credit report, etc., etc. So guys, I hope this information has been helpful to you guys. If you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, make sure you like it, leave a positive comment, guys, share it if you think somebody else may benefit from it. And also, for more information, guys, go to myrealestatetrainingpro.com, click on the link at the very top. It's going to say first time home buyer. Click on that, and that's a first time home buyer video, guys, that we did at one of our live educational seminars that we did. You get to sit at the comfort of your own home, watch this video, take notes, pause the video. That way you can start to get in the vibration of moving forward and being a home ownership. Thank you for attending this video, guys, seeing and watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Take care.